Hello everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to find safe passwords on your Windows 11 computer or a laptop. Go to search bar and type control panel. Please go ahead and click on control panel. Once you are in control panel, please go directly to credential manager. If you are not able to find credential manager here, you can type here credential and then you will find credential manager directly here. Let's go ahead and click on credential manager. In credential manager you have two tabs. One is web credential. If you have any web credentials saved, those password will appear in this area. And the next one is Windows credential. When we click on Windows credential and in this area, you will find the password saved on your Windows machine locally. If we go ahead and select any password and click on it, this will shows us the details of their specific password, and here we could also edit or update that specific password. So that's it about today's quick and simple tutorial on how to find safe password in Windows 11. For more tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.